So yeah, so that's what we have here. The tankers are basically like a water bottle on wheels. They bring a lot of water to the fire. The rescue just has a bunch of tools in it for whatever we need it for. And then the engine has some water, but it has hoses on it. So that's really the main reason why we have the engine. It has ladders, it has hoses. So if we need hoses to fight a fire, we bring the engine. The rescue will have for other things. And then, like I said, the tankers are giant water trucks. And then the brush truck goes to all your forest fires. So if the woods catch on fire, we take that thing. And then the ambulances are the ambulances. But yeah, so we have those trucks. And that's about it. So if you guys have any questions, talk to your teachers, talk to Mr. Cameron, and shoot your questions my way, and I'll do my best to answer them for you. All right, guys, have a good day. Bye.